Hi, I'm Sequoiah with Project Tree Collard, and the most frequent question I get from folks is, how do I make my tree collards more bushy and productive and shorter? So today's video is for you. So this actually is quite simple. You want to cut the new growth, the tips off of the plant. These tips have hormones in them. And as long as these hormones and these tips are here, they keep wanting to go up and up and up for as tall as they can do, even if they fall over or break in the wind. They just have this drive to go up and be taller. When we cut these tips off, it changes the hormones in the entire plant. And the plant says something like, we are being assaulted, someone's trying to kill us. So we need to survive and put out outward growth and bush all these little latent buds in the nodes, bush out and grow all of a sudden. So all the bare spots bush out because the plant thinks it's dying and you're trying to kill it. Hi. If you've learned one or two things so far, and I'm not done with the video, please like the video, subscribe, then you'll just be notified when new videos come out. Please leave comments. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Here's a cutting example on a thicker stalk. It's the same idea. So this would have been 6.5 feet tall if it hadn't flopped over, which is what tree collards do when they get too tall. They either break or they flop over. So I'm going to cut this back into the latent area. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut right here. I sped up the final section so you can see me bring it to completion. And the hardest part may be just getting started, but once you've started, you just need to cut everything that's taller than you want it to be, and those hormones will kick in. You'll get a lot of wonderful new growth. And in a few weeks' time, your plants will look a lot better than when they're freshly cut. So I hope this video gives you confidence to cut your tree collards and have them become more bushy and productive for you. Thanks for watching.